If you're trapped in repetitive cycles, sensing a disconnect between the person you are and the person you could be, it's time to act. You're not stuck because of fate, you're stuck because you haven't rebuilt yourself. Change isn't a happy accident, it's a deliberate creation, forged layer by layer, decision by decision. The version of you that conquers isn't stumbled upon, it's sculpted with intention. Most wait for the perfect moment, the ideal conditions, the cosmic green light. That moment never arrives. Success, growth, purpose, they re-earned by becoming someone who deserves them. Rebuilding is hard, gritty, and relentless. But staying stagnant, living half alive in a life that doesn't fit, that's a far heavier price. Choose who you want to become. Start now. In the moments ahead, you'll uncover how to craft a self that doesn't just chase success but commands it. Are you ready to rise, rebuild, and redefine your destiny? 1. Embrace the power of decision. Every monumental achievement begins with a single, unshakable decision, a moment when hesitation is burned away, and the mind locks onto a purpose so vivid it redefines reality. One clear, courageous choice can shatter a mediocre life, alter a destiny, and build empires from ashes. Milton Hershey, born into hardship in 1857, faced relentless setbacks, failed businesses, financial ruin, and a world that offered him little. Yet, in a quiet moment of clarity, he made a decision: he would rise, not as a victim of circumstance, but as a creator of his future. That resolve, not chocolate, sparked his ascent. Before factories or fortunes, there was a man who chose never to quit. Hershey's story isn't about luck, it's about the fire of decision. When doubt is replaced by conviction, the universe bends to your will. A decision isn't a fleeting wish or a passive hope, it's a command, issued from your core, enforced by discipline, propelled by action. Too many drift, waiting for permission, overanalyzing, paralyzed by fear of failure. But no one stumbles into greatness. Success demands you declare what you want and demand it of yourself. Your power lies not in your circumstances, education, or connections, it's in your ability to choose boldly. When you decide, truly decide, life responds. The universe respects a mind that won't waver. Those with talent or resources often fail because they lack this courage. They second guess, hesitate, and let fear rule. But failure only defeats the undecided. Once you commit, fully burning the ships, leaving no retreat, failure becomes a mentor, not a master. Stand now. Decide who you'll become. Write it down: I will be. Speak it aloud with authority. Let it be a vow, not a suggestion. Fix your vision, pursue it with ferocity. The moment you choose, the world shifts, people align, opportunities emerge, your energy transforms. Life rewards the bold, favors the committed. Your decision is the spark that turns ordinary into extraordinary. Choose today. Never look back. Let it be the force that sets your greatness ablaze. 2. Cultivate resilience amidst challenges. Greatness is never handed out, it's forged in the crucible of adversity, earned through trials, shaped by setbacks. The path to success is jagged, demanding a spirit that refuses to break. Resilience isn't just enduring hardship, it's rising stronger, wiser, fiercer. William Carter, a businessman who faced multiple bankruptcies, could have faded into obscurity. Creditors dismissed him, his ventures crumbled, yet he saw failure not as a verdict but as a signal to grow. Each collapse taught him, each closed door pointed to a better one. Carter studied his mistakes, adapted, and built a retail empire not despite failure, but because of it. Life will test you relentlessly, sometimes with subtle doubts, sometimes with crushing blows. It will ask, are you willing to keep going? Most retreat, overwhelmed by the weight. But the resolve transform adversity into fuel, doubt into drive, fear into focus. Resilience is defiance, the refusal to let circumstances dictate your destiny. Carter's story isn't about business, it's about belief, a blueprint for turning pain into power. When you face resistance, choose to rise. See challenges as mentors, not curses. Ask, what's this teaching me? How can I grow? Every disappointment forges your character, every storm sharpens your will. No failure is final unless you let it be. Strength isn't born in ease, it's built in endurance. The stronger the opposition, the greater the growth. Struggle is the staircase to greatness, climb it. For the next 3 days, embrace adversity. When something goes wrong, pause, reframe, this is my forge. This makes me unbreakable. Write down one lesson from each challenge. Speak to yourself with resolve, I am stronger than this. Visualize yourself as a warrior, scarred but standing, forged by every battle. No storm lasts forever, but your resilience does. The triumphs of tomorrow are seated in today's persistence. Welcome the fire, it's shaping you into someone unstoppable. 3. Build unshakable self-belief. Self-belief is the rocket fuel of achievement. Without it, even brilliant ideas collapse under doubt's weight. With it, the wildest dreams take flight. The world doesn't give you what you wish for, it mirrors who you believe you are. Margaret Linfield, an actress battered by rejection, faced a world that criticized her talent and dismissed her presence. Casting rooms ignored her, yet she clung to an unyielding belief in her worth. She trusted her vision when doors slammed, believed in her craft when no one clapped. That belief wasn't just her anchor, it was her catapult, launching her to celebrated stages and screens. Your greatest ally is yourself, not because you're flawless, but because you can choose what to believe. Doubt is the dream killer, whispering you're not enough. Belief silences it, declaring your worth. Stand before a mirror daily and affirm, I am capable. I am worthy. I am becoming. These aren't words, they are seeds, planting a future you'll harvest. Self-belief isn't arrogance, it's alignment with your potential. It doesn't deny fear, it refuses to let fear decide. For 3 days, build rituals, write affirmations, speak them with conviction, and visualize victories. See yourself acing that project, owning that stage, living that dream. Feel the triumph in your bones. When setbacks hit, they're not stop signs, they reprove your journey is real. Linfield's success wasn't sudden, it was built through relentless inner work. The world waits for those who know their value and walk boldly in it. Believe fiercely, unapologetically, now. Your certainty shapes your destiny. Declare it, live it, become it, you're more powerful than you've dared to imagine. 4. Harness the power of a definite purpose. A clear, definite purpose is your North Star, pulling you toward your destiny with magnetic force. It's not a vague goal, it's a conviction that shapes choices, fuels persistence, and powers vision. Without it, even the talented drift, exhausted by aimless effort. With it, ordinary people achieve the extraordinary. Thomas Griffin, an industrial titan, transformed communities through his unwavering clarity. Long before factories or profits, he had a sharply defined vision, not just of what he wanted, but why it mattered. That purpose was his compass, unshaken by market crashes or doubt. While others panicked, Griffin acted. While others guessed, he built. Your purpose eliminates hesitation, guiding where to invest time, energy, and focus. Griffin didn't just define his purpose, he lived it, writing it down, reading it daily, filtering every decision through it. It wasn't a phrase, it was a force, inspiring loyalty, driving action. Without clarity, you'll chase distractions, say yes to the wrong things, and react instead of create. With it, your magnetic people sense your focus, opportunities align, energy surges. For 3 days, define your purpose. Ask, what am I here to do? Who do I want to become? What impact will I leave? Write it vividly, speak it aloud, feel it ignite your soul. Let it guide your choices, what to pursue, what to release. Purpose brings discipline, makes sacrifice meaningful, and turns effort into a legacy. Don't wait to find it, decide it, claim it. Let it be your standard, your fire. When you walk in purpose, you walk with power, and the world opens in response. 5. Fuel success with relentless passion. Passion is the flame that transforms effort into joy, challenges into opportunities. It's the emotional pulse that makes your purpose vibrant, your mission alive. Without it, work is mechanical, life a checklist. With it, every step sings with meaning. Laura Simmons, a pioneer in education reform, didn't inherit her legacy, she built it through fiery passion. She saw education as a key to societal transformation, her classrooms sanctuaries of possibility. Facing resistance and criticism, her passion didn't waver, it burned brighter, fueling stamina, courage, and joy. Her fire was contagious, inspiring parents, teachers, and children to rise. Passion makes you magnetic. It draws people, sparks excellence, and sustains you through hardship. Find what ignites your heart, it's your compass. Ask, what excites me? What cause would I fight for, even unpaid? For 3 days, chase that spark. Write, teach, build, explore, do it for joy, not reward. Share your passion, its energy attracts allies. Let it guide decisions, which path makes me feel alive? Simmons didn't seek fame, she couldn't not act. That alignment is your power. Protect your passion from routine's chill, feed it with action. You weren't born to plod, you were born to create, inspire, burn brightly. The world needs your fire, not your compliance. Run toward what sets your soul ablaze. Let it lift you, lead you, transform you. Passion isn't a luxury, it's your lifeline to a life of impact. 6. Commit to continuous learning. Every great achiever is a lifelong learner, hungry for wisdom, relentless in growth. Success doesn't favor the naturally gifted, it rewards those who never stop evolving. Jonathan Harris, a scientist from humble roots, turned curiosity into his superpower. Reading voraciously, seeking mentors, and asking bold questions, he made groundbreaking discoveries that reshaped his field. His edge wasn't luck, it was daily growth, a mind cultivated like a garden. Learning isn't a phase, it's a lifestyle. The world shifts fast, only learners keep pace. Harris's commitment opened doors others couldn't see. Your mind is your greatest asset, feed it. For 3 days, immerse yourself in knowledge, read a chapter, listen to a podcast, and reflect on life's lessons. Engage actively, question, apply, grow. Explore beyond your field, creativity sparks where ideas collide. Learning fosters humility, resilience, and confidence. It's not just about skills, it's about becoming more alive. The world opens to those who ask, what can I learn today? Protect your curiosity, invest in your mind. Each book, conversation, and challenge is a brick in your future. Harris's daily learning compounded into mastery, yours can too. Be a student forever, and you'll lead anywhere. 7. Cultivate a positive attitude as your greatest asset. Your mindset shapes your reality, a lens filtering every moment. You can't control all circumstances, but you can choose your response, and that choice defines your life. Helen Keller, struck deaf and blind as a child, could have surrendered to despair. Instead, she chose optimism, becoming the first deaf-blind person to earn a college degree, writing books, and advocating for others. Her positive attitude didn't deny hardship, it transcended it, proving the human spirit, aligned with hope, is unstoppable. Positivity isn't pretending life is perfect, it's choosing solutions over complaints, gratitude over grievance. It attracts opportunities, builds bonds, and radiates magnetism. For 3 days, practice it. Each morning, name 3 things you're thankful for. In stress, ask, what can I learn? Surround yourself with uplifters, books, people, ideas. Speak strength to yourself, I am bigger than this. Keller said, the world is full of suffering, but also the overcoming of it. That's your power. Your attitude is your armor, your fire, your legacy. It doesn't just change how you see life, it changes what life brings. Choose positivity daily, and watch obstacles become stepping stones, your story one of triumph. 8. Embrace adaptability for success. Success belongs to the adaptable, those who dance with change rather than fight it. Joseph Montgomery, a businessman, thrived during economic collapse by pivoting while others clung to outdated plans. He studied change, anticipated it, and moved with it, restructuring, rebranding, and emerging stronger. Adaptability isn't survival, it's transformation, asking, what's possible now? Change is inevitable, your response is your power. For 3 days, lean into it. When the unexpected hits, ask, what opportunity is here? How can I grow? Try a new approach, question old habits. Rigidity breaks, flexibility endures. Montgomery's edge was speed and vision. He didn't mourn the past, he built the future. Be open, curious, and quick. Adaptability doesn't mean abandoning values, it means evolving paths. The future favors those who see change as a gift, not a curse. Move with it, and you'll not just survive, you'll soar. 9. Find strength in serving others. True success is impact, not accumulation. Andrew Powell, a philanthropist entrepreneur, built wealth as a byproduct of service. His enterprises thrived because he prioritized community education, opportunity, and upliftment. His rule: leave everyone better than you found them. Service wasn't charity, it was strength, magnifying his ambition, deepening loyalty, expanding influence. For 3 days, serve intentionally, listen fully, help without reward, mentor someone. Small acts ripple, building bonds, refining purpose. Service teaches humility, connects you to something larger. Powell's empire wasn't just wealth, it was lives changed. Align your goals with others' needs, and your success becomes a shared legacy. The world rewards open hands and full hearts. Give, and you grow. 10. Unleash your limitless potential. Your potential is boundless, waiting for you to claim it. Reflect now, what does success mean to me? Define it clearly: wealth, impact, freedom, and commit fully. For 3 days, act daily, write your vision, take one step, serve one person. Greatness isn't found, it's built through courage, resilience, and optimism. Ending: ignite your morning, forge your epic destiny. You're not doomed to repeat old patterns, you're a creator, poised to rebuild. The gap between who you are and who you could be closes now. For 3 days, seize your mornings, declare I am unstoppable, write 3 gratitudes, learn 1 idea, act on 1 goal, uplift 1 soul. Make mornings your forge, reflect, ignite, charge. Stop waiting for permission, you are the permission. Your extraordinary future isn't a dream, it's a decision. What's the one step you'll take tomorrow to spark your transformation and craft a legacy that roars through time? Act now. Rise. Rebuild. Redefine. The world is waiting for the unstoppable you.